What's going on, everybody? I know who it is. They finally dropped my cars off, so now I can get some videos for you guys. So this is a 2011 Lincoln MKZ. I picked up for $500. It's a little rough, but you know we don't mind. I think I'm gonna probably just drive it and keep it, maybe. But I'm gonna definitely fix it. But y'all gonna. So yeah, I see the good side of it first. That's the good side of it. They got some good tires. You know me, I love a vehicle that already got good tires. That saves me money. But then I gotta find the bumper and the headlight. Fender, I think that can be fixed. Gotta get a mirror, but I can get that at the salvage yard. Little scrape right there can fix that. This is the primary damage right here. This is the primary damage. I think Wilson can fix it. I think he can fix it. He told me he can. He told me he can fix it. So he said he fixed worse. I think, and then bumper, I don't know, because it does have like a little groove on it, but that's the main damage of it. That and that. So whatever it did probably got hit like that. It probably, whatever, I don't know exactly how it got hit. I'll let y'all see the interior. Needs to be wiped down. It's a little dusty. Probably been sitting up somewhere. Pop the hood for y'all. Let's see how you get this hood open. Lincoln. Lincoln. Let me check the brake fluid because the brakes is a little.
Yeah, the brakes are weird. I meant to tell you that.
Yeah, the brakes was a little weird. I'm like, hold on.
Didn't have no fluid. There ain't no fluid in it.
It's got fluid. It's got oil. Probably need to be bled or something. Let me see if. Hopefully not need a master, but if you do, then you know. Let me see. I mean, they pump up. You hear me? Hey, you can close the hood. I mean, they pump up. They pump up. I mean, they won't be pumping up if they need a master cylinder, would it? You see it? Oil change required. We know. Let me see. What's it's 12 miles to empty. Oil change required. That's funny, like when you like doing like a video and like when you see the lights it's all steady, but once you see it on here it's like flickering and stuff. Put that up. So we got the heated, cool seats on there, heated and cool seats. I don't know why they even put that in there. Don't need that. We still got the owner's menu in there. We got the sunroof. Let me know in the comment section below. Should I fix it and keep it? Because think about it. It's a 2011. You know, if I put another, let's see, it was 400 to get it back, so it's 405, so 500, so it's 905. So I put another, let's say another $600, just say $600 worth of work into it. You know, just say 600. I have 1,500. Just say, you know, just say 1,500. I bought I got a 2011 Lincoln for 1,500. Really can't beat that. Even though I don't know, the body work might cost some money. But he said he could do it for like 500, 600. I think he said like something. It's like 400 or 500. I don't know. I have to talk to him. right there. See the radio work. Whoa. Hot, didn't it? We got Bluetooth in here?
Turn the wheel again. Let me see if
Alright. I already did the oil change on it. And go out to the salvage yard. We got a Y'all beat up for a little while. Y'all know it and me. Yeah, I'm gonna go test drive this thing, make sure it's shifting on through the gears. It don't have any service lights on. I'm trying to see the miles thing, but it doesn't have boots. Here to show the yeah, I forgot the door is probably open. Okay, we got the heat working, but we ain't worried about this, so let's turn it to like AC. See if the AC kicks right in. Kicks right in, why don't you? Kicking right in. You know, we don't mind driving stuff a little beat up. It ain't gonna hurt my pride. Main thing about it, I don't care about the car running good. I want the car running good. Just have Bluetooth, but I'll be right back with y'all. Hold on 1 second. Let me try to bleed these brakes. All right, Tom. Safety first. Put your safety belt on, everybody. Put your safety belt on. Now we gotta drive. Make sure she got some gears in her. Okay. Yeah, just need a little brakes to be bled. Now we got some brakes, but they still low. Let's see if we got any alignment issues or anything. Okay. Shifting through the gears quite nicely. And this Lincoln rise. This Lincoln shifting through them gears like nothing. Hit a smooth 60. Hit a little smooth little 60 on it. Okay. So it's a little, I know it's something over here, but I mean, you gotta expect that being hit over here. So, main thing about it is it runs and drives. That's the main thing about it. Now I'm gonna have to jack it up to see exactly what's going on over there in over here. But it's hit, so it's something that's bent over here, like something that's either bent or broken or something. But that's what you expect when a vehicle's been hit. I like vehicles that has some type of damage. You know, I don't want to. Like people be like, oh, just buy it from Copart. Nah, Copart fees too high. Like, nah, I'd rather buy it, and then Copart you're gonna get a rebuilt title. See, with this is gonna be fixed up, and then nobody's claiming the damage on this vehicle, so it's not insurance. So, you know, not saying that it's the right thing, not saying it's the right thing to do, but you know, if I sold this vehicle to somebody and you know they put full coverage insurance on it, you know, they can still claim it as a full, you know, but that's after it's fixed up. But you know, a lot of companies, they're gonna come out and inspect the vehicle and stuff like that. But yeah, I like vehicles like this, man, because you get a vehicle that it has some damage, but the vehicle still comes with a clean green, and title still clean and green. It's not salvage or rebuild or anything like that. Even though title doesn't mean anything, you know. titles don't really mean anything. To some people it do, you know, people be like, because you know, you driving a vehicle, you're not driving the title, you know. And think about it, if a car was rebuilt, think of like the process of having to take a car to rebuild the car, you know, that's pretty expensive, you know, if you're thinking about what it endures or actually change the, because you know, because you have to get that car approved through the state, you know, changing it from like salvage to rebuild. So you have to, I don't know, you have to do an intense amount of work and stuff. And I believe you have to. I'm not 100% sure on that process like that. I like to buy my cars, you know, they get a green title, you know. I like to buy them if they got some damage. I want to make sure it has clean and green on the title, you know. As much as possible. I mean, I have sold rebuilt titles, you know. I'm not gonna say like, oh, I have, but like I said, I mean, the title thing doesn't make that big of a difference like people try to make it out to seem. You know, people try to rebuild this and salvage this. As long as the title is not junked, you know, as long as your title is not junked. And I'll explain to y'all what a junk title is. If y'all don't know, if y'all been watching the video of this thing and y'all want to know why a junk title is bad, I mean, and why? And if you don't know what a junk title is and want to know what a junk title is, just comment junked. Just comment junked below. Just comment junked below, junk title. But yeah, we back. We're gonna do one last walk around of the vehicle, and then I want y'all to let me know in the comment section below. Should I fix it and keep it? I can look so. I be looking so professional. You know, be looking like we really looking like one of those older guys. You know, older guys. They drive Lincoln, so you know, I be looking like a real old guy. You know, one of those old guys. Then I have to start. Then I'm gonna have to get like a suit and stuff. Then I'm gonna have to start dressing different. You know, when you drive a Lincoln, you know, some old guys, they be dressing like fly and stuff like that. You know, I'm gonna have to get like little pantsuit and suits and dress shoes and switch up the style and all that. You know, once I fix it up, you know, then I can join the Lincoln Club, man. I can join the old guys that drive Lincoln. You know? I don't know. How old you gotta be to drive a Lincoln? 40 years old to drive a Lincoln? That like the starter age to drive a Lincoln, you gotta be like 40. You know, you gotta be like maybe 50, 60. Then you just walk into a Lincoln dealership and you get a Lincoln. I don't really see too many people like driving. Many young people driving. So that's all I'm just saying. But I'm gonna look at y'all. Let me know. We take a picture from the good side. This is the thumbnail, so y'all like, okay, ooh, you got a nice car until y'all see the other side. But we can find us a bumper, a headlight, and then I have to drive it. We'll probably drive it to the auction tomorrow. You know, drive it to the auction tomorrow. Go by Wilson, get an estimate. Gotta get an estimate on how much to fix it. We're gonna put the. It'd be kind of pointless putting a headlight in there until you get at least that part fixed. Then I might as well get it all fixed at one time. But I'll definitely at least get a mirror. I'll at least put a mirror on there. You know. Door handle. I'm not gonna worry about that. You know. I'm gonna get an oil change and top off all the fluids, because I am going to be driving it. So I'm going to change the oil, top off the fluid. I'm going to jack it up, see what's going on over there on that side. So, you know, because I'm going to be driving it, you know, it might not look the best, but I got to make sure it's safe for me and the kids when we ride. But appreciate you guys for tuning in. If y'all haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what y'all think about my Lincoln. You know, should I keep it? Should I fix it and sell it? You know, what should I do? You know, let me know in the comment section below, and then let me know if it was a deal or not. You know, $500 for a 2011 Lincoln. You know, I don't really always, you know, you gotta pay the transport fee and stuff like that. But see, it is 2011. You know, 2011 Lincoln MKZ, and it's mine. Look at it. Beep, beep. Appreciate y'all. I'm out. Peace.